We are short on time, guys. Come quickly. The winners and runner-ups, can you come on the right side? All the winners and runner-ups.
वाटर लेवल देखो
Tell
वाटर
us.
लेवल तुम्हें मालूम लास्ट में इसका ऐसा मैंने तो थोड़े
भारी छोड़ सेकेंड अपना नॉर्मल यूजुअल यार वॉक रेड वॉक
अबे बॉल
अरे आप क्यों
You can literally be here. ऐसे जाएंगे ना तो उसको मैं इधर खड़ी रहने को बोल रही हूँ।
गाइस
And then we'll talk.
हेलो guys we are doing the closing ceremony. We have a very limited time. Can you just hold to this side please?
Hi everyone. Firstly, I would want everyone to give a huge round of applause. Come on guys, cheer up. Woo! So we would like to thank all the sponsors because उनके support के बिना ये possible ही नहीं होता. Main sponsor Stanford Tubulars, Kalpesh Jain and Haresh Jain. Co-sponsor Steel Tube India, Kamlesh Jain. Woo! I can't hear any cheers from this side, guys. Come on. Trophy sponsor Diora Jewels. Social media partner The Social Journey, Rahil, Neha and team. मुझे मजा नहीं आ रही है. Next up, we would like to thank our whole committee members जिन्होंने अपना 2 महीना पूरी प्लानिंग में दिए इस टूर्नामेंट के लिए and because of them it's successful. So, Nilesh ji, Aniket, Tanik, Rahul, Jay, Kalpesh, Manish Bhaiya and Kamlesh. Give a huge round of applause for the whole team. सबसे ज़्यादा तालियां हमारी कमेटी बजा रही है. Now we would like to thank Mr. Prashant for giving us the ground क्योंकि of course इसके बिना तो कुछ possible ही नहीं होता. The food stalls, all the other helpers, referees and the umpires who have been standing throughout the whole tournament. Guys, what is this? तुम लोग ने तो खेला भी नहीं है, तुम क्यों थके हो? Now, thanks to all the teams for their enthusiasm that they have showed throughout the whole tournament. And whether you have won or not, one thing we all know is everyone over there has given their 100% and that's what is most important. So, let's give a huge round of applause for all the teams and their supporters who are not cheering right now. Let's call out all the teams. Sangli Spectaculars, Bhansali Blizzards, DHV Smashers, Fella Falcons, Quality Warriors, DSC Phoenix Smashers, CMR Royals, True Ninjas and Tinita Titans. Now, the main thing that everyone's been waiting for and that's not the winner. It's the man of the match. Any guesses? Kenan? Just because you all are saying, let's give it to Kenan. Who is Kenan? do we want a speech from him?
First time felt so nice. We had to do it. So second time, I think the entire credit goes to my team. सबके support की वजह से I think we've won.
Let's call Mr. Kamlesh Jain for the trophy. Now, man of the series. Any guesses? I'm hearing two names. Who all are saying Bhavya? Who is saying Vidit? Man of the series is... Oh, Rahul kaun hai? Man of the series is none other than Bhavya Shah. We would like to call Diora Jewels Harshavadya to give the trophy. But before that, Bhavya, would you like to say something?
माइक चालू
Diora Jewels Harshavadya, please come here. एक चेन भी पहनाने वाले हो सुनने में आया है. Come on guys, clap here. Now we would like to call up our runner-up, who is none other than DHV Smashers. So, requesting all the players and the team owner and the committee members to come here for the medals and trophies. Guys, DHV Smashers. Dashers. DHV Dashers. ऐसे नहीं है? Of course. Have to be excited for your trophy. Come on. Music up है. तालियों से music को. Come guys. Guys, a huge round of applause. Come on. तालियां क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार? क्या कर रहे हो? एक-एक जन के पास आके तालियां करनी पड़ेगी. I need cheer from this side. Guys, I want you to, all of you all please meet him. Guys, please come in the center. जब तक आपका ही स्टेज है, प्लीज आ जाइए. like to call our winner. Come on guys, cheer for the winner at least. Yeah. Let's give a huge round of applause for we would like to call the captain of the team, Hemant ji, and say a few words. Demand, demand.
Yeah, I mean, it was a great tournament. Obviously, Avengers, these guys, I mean, they're playing volleyball since a long time और बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Last time भी same था, ऐसे लग रहा है मैं same चीज़ को relive कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा भी मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है वैसे. Congratulations to you guys. 2 बार हराने के बाद तीसरी बार फिर आ गए. So it was not fun at all. We'll come back again, like I said last year, and we'll hunt you again. Thanks a lot, guys. The tournament was fantastic. Even the referees, all the arrangement, DRS ला लिया, पता नहीं क्या क्या लाएंगे ये लोग और. It was crazy. It was a good feeling. I mean, very complete and very perfectly managed tournament. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Sorry, obviously, I want to congratulate my team. They did a fantastic job. बहुत अच्छा खेले, बहुत मेहनत किया. We practiced a lot this time rather than last time, so we were able to compete where we were. And when we took the team, we did not feel that कि competitive होएगा. But Rahul and all the other guys did a fantastic job. बहुत मज़ा आया खेलने का. Everybody, cheers. See you guys next time round. Bye.
Thank you, thank you. Now we would like to call upon our winners, Fella Falcons, and the sponsor to come here, give them the trophy and the medals. So huge round of applause. Come with the band. Guys, now, start.
हेलो रोहन, अगर सामने से लेना तो आप बैठ सकते हैं. ये कैमरे में नहीं आएगा. कैमरे अगर बैठेगा तो नहीं आएगा. इसकी फ्रेम में देख मेरा सर दिख रहा है. नहीं आएगा, जूम करके ले रहे हैं. बैठ के ले बैठ.
Before we give the trophy and the check, we would like to call the honorary Harsh to give a speech. Come, come, come. Please tell us more about your brand Medaya.
Hello. Hi, I'm Harsh Chauhan, and we've been playing volleyball since we were kids from Greenlands High School. And for us to participate in this kind of tournament organized by our friends, it was very fun. And this time I got a chance to sponsor the tournament, and it was a wonderful feeling because it was organized very well by the committee. And about my business, if I want to market a little, it's a diamond jewelry store in Opera House, and we cater to both natural and lab-grown diamond, and it's not just for women, even men. So everyone can visit our store. It's a special discount for Sachor people. Thank you so much. एक चेन सबको फ्री मेरी तरफ से.
So now let's call our winning team for the trophy and the check and the sponsor. Please come over here, the whole team and the sponsor. Guys, one cheer.
वो आ रहा है नीचे बैठने बोलूँगा.
Guys, someone has misplaced their AirPods, boat AirPods. If you all know kiska hai, please. Anyone who has misplaced their AirPods, boats, AirPods. ठीक है, तो ये मेरे.
Brides, I've just made your wedding shopping so much easier. I found you South Mumbai's most exclusive studio called Diora Jewels that cater lab-grown diamond jewelry. And lab-grown diamonds are so in right now.